Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a cloud stuffy like these ones.
Yay!
So when it will come like this. It's already pre-sewn around, so you don't have to do that. You will need pen markers, any kind of markers, permanent or not permanent, depending on what you want, and some thread, a needle. You can use a needle threader if you're having a hard time threading them through. So first you draw a face with the markers. You can draw any face you want your cloud to have. You can draw it on both sides depending on what you want. I'm just going to draw it on one side.
Okay.
And you need some stuffing. So the next step is to stuff it up. Don't add too much or too less. If it's too much, it will be hard to sew it up later. So you want to tear it into little bits and put it in like this.
Ooh, that's a good
It should be able to fit 2 of your fingers. Keep stuffing it until you think it's enough. And make sure that all parts have stuffing in it. Like this. Once it's done, use needles and thread. I'm using a not sharp one. It's called a
tapestry needle.
It's called a tapestry needle. It's not so sharp.
Yep. You can literally put your fingers here and you won't get hurt.
So the next step is to sew it together. And then start threading it. Once you're done doing that, you thread it back to there. Like this. Don't pull too hard, remember. Right now I am backstitching. About the same place, but if it's too much of the same place, it'll, get off again. Keep doing it about 5 times. I think that was 3 times, 2 more. 1 more. I forgot how many, but just 1 more just in case. Now you can start stitching it. So put it through somewhere next to where you backstitched. Like this and pull. And it's a loop. So next, once you're here, you put it somewhere next to the stitch you just did. And then you keep doing that. Like this. And if you missed it, it's okay. Just go somewhere where you wanted it to go. You can also go back. Once you're there, you can start backstitching again. Like that. Yeah. Oops. It's okay if you stitch in the wrong place, but make sure you don't do it too much before you do the wrong thing. Also do it 5 times. And then once you're done, cut it off. Done! You've made your very own cloud Stuffy.
Yay! Can we take another look at it? Yay! Well, a little bit further away. Yay!
This is my finished. You can make one just like this, except it might be different color, but it'll still be the same size. This one's more like puffy because I added more stuffing. See ya next time.